Alright, to start off, we're going to sift in 1 cup of flour into our bowl. And we're going to give this a quick mix. Alright, so to this we're going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And lastly, 1 teaspoon or pinch of salt. Alright, we're going to mash 2 medium ripe bananas in our bowl with a fork. Alright, so once we have our bananas at a puree, we're going to whisk in 2 eggs. Alright, now let's add in a half cup of milk. Let's whisk it in. Next, we're going to add in a teaspoon of vanilla. Alright, now for one of the most important ingredients in our pancakes, it's going to be a half cup of plain yogurt. This is going to make the pancakes so moist. Let's add it in. And now for extra moistness, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of melted butter into our mixture. Alright, now we're going to add in our wet mixture to our dry. Let's put our pan on low heat. Let's add some butter to our pan. Okay, so we're going to add 1 scoop of our batter onto our pan. Alright, so we're going to let it cook a minute on the first side, flip it, and then 30 seconds on the next side.